Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make chocolate spread. Hope you enjoy making it. The ingredients we're going to use for this recipe is dark chocolate, nuts and coconut oil. First, in the pan, dry roast half cup mixed nuts. We are taking walnut, pistachio and cashew nut. You can use any nuts including peanuts. Powder the nuts. Take some water in a vessel and boil it. Place a small glass bowl on top. Add the chocolate and melt them. Dark chocolate is very nutritious and it could improve brain function. Stir the chocolate occasionally. Now the chocolate has melted completely. Now add half of the powdered nuts into the melted chocolate and mix well. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil. Now add the rest of the powdered nuts. Your chocolate spread is now ready. Enjoy your bread with a very healthy chocolate spread. Your kids will love it.